No.
Okay, it's 12:05 now, and so we're at 25 minutes, and I'd say we're pretty much done. I've kind of burnt some of it a little bit too much, and one of the things you really got to be careful with this thing is that you have these areas like here where if you get your hand in that, it'll burn your hand like bad. It's literally super powerful, so you can kind of see all sort of the focal point. But again, with this unit, the thing that's really cool about it is there's a viewfinder, and that viewfinder allows you to see the opposite side of the tray. So that shows me the focal point on the actual bottom side of the pan there. So we're done, I'd say. I'll take it inside and let it cool down.